Good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we shall be looking at the technical analysis on the currency pair, the Great British Pounds to the United States dollars. And at first, we shall be talking about fundamental analysis before we move right down ahead to technical analysis, which is purely what we're going to be seeing on the chart now. We have noticed that the GBP USD has stayed under constant bearish pressure throughout the whole of Monday, and the greenback pressures the strength despite disappointing data. And of course, focus shifts to US housing data as the UK job reports. While GBP USD started the week under this bearish pressure and dropped to a weekly low of 1.2051 in the European session, although the pair staged a rebound about towards 1.2100 and it had failed to reclaim that level. As of writing, the pair was down with 0.3% on the day at 1.2090. We have also noticed that the dollar capitalizes on safe haven flows, while the negative shift witnessed in our risk sentiment on Monday provides a boost for the safe haven greenback. Disappointing macroeconomic data releases from China alongside the escalating geopolitical tensions don't allow risk-sensitive access to define demand. Meanwhile, the data for the US showed on Monday that the NY Fed Empire State Manufacturing Index slumped to minus 31.3 in August from 11.1 in July. Now, the dollar is looking to have lost some strength as this print missed analyst focus of 8.5 by a wide margin, but the US dollar index has managed to hold above 106.00, while later in the session, the NAHB Housing Market Index data from the US will be looked upon for fresh impetus. Meanwhile, Wall Street's main indexes remain on track to open deep in negative territory, with US stock index futures losing about between 0.45% and 0.7% on the day. While on Tuesday, the UK's Office for National Statistics will release the July job reports. Investors expect the ILO unemployment rate to remain steady at 3.8% in the 3-month period ending in July. Now, what to take away from this, we have moving down to technical analysis purely, we have noticed the most recent support zone at 1.20157, and the market has been gradually heading towards this zone. Now, what we should expect is a bounce back from this zone back to the upside at 1.21311 before a possible push up to 1.22267, which is, of course, a new zone from that entry point. Now, what to take out from this, if we were to make an entry at this point, we let our trade run up to this point, which is about 1.2212, over 170 plus pips from that entry point, which is good money, of course. And that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair, the Great British Pounds to the United States dollars. Let's move over to the stock markets. Right now, today on the stock markets, we'll be having a look at Tesla. And we have noticed that Tesla Incorporation shares are trading higher by 3.33% to $90.20 on Monday afternoon. Elon Musk on Sunday indicated that the company has now made over 3 million cars. What happened, of course? Tesla CEO Elon Musk on Sunday tweeted a congratulatory message to Geek Shanghai for producing its 1 million car and announced that Tesla has now manufactured over 3 million electric vehicles. And in his tweet, Musk applauded the accomplishment and included a picture of Giga Shanghai workers on the factory floor surrounding the 1 million car produced, a red Tesla, of course. Now, we also see that the stock is moving Monday. What's going on? What do we expect? A lot of bullish move, of course. This is going to cost. And we have seen this in recent times has been taking a new shape in the market. And this, of course, most likely to continue. Now, if we were to check our 4 hours time frame, we'll notice that an extension is most likely to occur from this very important news. On backdating, we are at a most recent resistance zone, and hopefully a breakout of this zone means we are heading to the next zone with it at 1,000 for the 3.22. And also an extension possibly to 1095.81. So if we were to make an entry to this trade and let our trade run up to this point, we're looking at 52 pips to 1,540 pips thereabout. And that's our technical analysis on today's stock market, Tesla. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.